Before you toss another empty pill bottle into the trash, pause for just a second. Those tiny plastic containers you've been throwing away might be some of the most useful DIY materials in your home. From stylish decor to smart storage, and even garden-friendly projects, pill bottles are surprisingly durable, versatile, and way too good to waste. Today I'm showing you clever, practical, and genuinely good-looking ways to reuse them. Ideas that save money, reduce clutter, and help you get more out of what you already have. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we focus on simple, creative ways to make your home and garden work smarter, not harder. If you enjoy budget-friendly DIYs, eco-conscious ideas, and projects that actually fit real life, you're in the right place. Before we get started, let me know where you're watching from in the comments. I love seeing how far this community reaches. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new idea. Let's jump in. Idea number 1: decorative pill bottle home accents. The first idea is all about turning plain pill bottles into decorative home accents that don't look DIY at all. Once the labels are removed and the surface is lightly sanded, these bottles become a perfect blank canvas. You can spray paint them in soft matte tones, warm metallics like gold or copper, or even textured finishes for a more high-end look. Wrapping the bottles in decorative paper or fabric, using Mod Podge instantly elevates them. And small details like twine, lace, or simple ribbon make a big difference. When grouped together in sets of 3 or 5, they work beautifully on shelves, coffee tables, or bathroom counters. What makes this project especially useful is how customizable it is for any style or season. Coastal themes work well with neutral colors and natural textures, while farmhouse or vintage looks pair nicely with muted paint and subtle distressing. You can even drop battery-operated tea lights inside to create soft ambient lighting in the evenings. It's an easy way to add warmth and personality to your space, while reusing something you already have. And once you make one set, you'll start seeing pill bottles very differently. Idea number 2: mini planters and bud vases. Pill bottles make surprisingly great mini planters, especially for small plants, cuttings, and herbs. With just a few drainage holes added to the bottom, they become perfect containers for succulents or seed-started herbs. You can paint the outside for a clean, modern look, or leave them clear so you can watch the roots grow. Filled with the right soil and placed on a sunny windowsill, they're ideal for basil, thyme, oregano, or even flower cuttings from your garden. They also work beautifully as simple bud vases for single stems. A row of painted bottles lined up on a shelf or tray creates a clean, intentional display without overwhelming the space. This is a great way to show off fresh blooms, even if you only have a few flowers at a time. It's practical, flexible, and a perfect example of how something small and overlooked can turn into a functional and decorative piece for your home or garden. Idea number 3: stylish storage solutions. Empty pill bottles are perfect for creating neat, stylish storage in places where small items usually turn into clutter. Once the labels are removed and the bottles are cleaned, they can be grouped together to create custom organizers for drawers, desks, or shelves. Painting them all one cohesive color instantly makes the setup feel intentional, rather than makeshift, and adding simple labels helps everything stay organized. This works especially well for craft supplies like beads, buttons, or sewing notions, but it's just as useful for office items, bathroom essentials, or small tools. What really makes this idea shine is how adaptable it is to your space. You can line the bottles up in a drawer, glue them together into a compact cluster, or mount them vertically on a small board for wall storage. Because the bottles are lightweight and durable, they're easy to move around and reconfigure as your needs change. It's a simple solution that brings order to everyday chaos, while reusing something that would normally be tossed without a second thought. Idea number 4: seed starter greenhouses. Pill bottles make excellent seed starters, especially when you want something compact, reusable, and easy to manage. With a few small drainage holes added to the bottom, each bottle becomes a self-contained planting pod. Fill them with seed starting mix, plant your seeds, and loosely place the lid back on top to create a mini greenhouse effect. The clear plastic traps warmth and moisture, giving seeds a strong start, while allowing you to see exactly what's happening below the soil. This method is especially useful for herbs and flowers that need a warm, stable environment to germinate. Basil, cilantro, parsley, and many annual flowers do really well in these containers. Because the bottles are sturdy and waterproof, you can line them up neatly on a tray or windowsill, without worrying about leaks or mess. It's a budget-friendly alternative to store-bought seed trays, and a great way to reuse pill bottles while getting a jump start on your garden. Idea number 5, travel-size toiletry containers. Empty pill bottles are ideal for creating your own travel-size toiletry containers. Clean them thoroughly, sand the exterior for better paint or label adhesion, and customize them with your favorite colors or designs. You can label each one clearly, shampoo, conditioner, lotion or face cream, so you always know what's inside. Their small size makes them perfect for carrying just what you need without taking up space in your bag. These DIY bottles are especially useful for trips because they meet most TSA requirements, usually around 1 ounce per container. They're durable, lightweight, and can be reused endlessly, saving you from buying disposable travel bottles over and over. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway, a camping trip, or just keeping your purse organized, these little containers are a practical, eco-friendly solution that turns something you'd normally throw away into a travel essential. Idea number 6, vintage-style lampshade. Transforming pill bottles into a unique pendant light is easier than it sounds and adds a vintage apothecary-inspired touch to any room. Start by collecting 20-30 bottles and removing all the caps. Drill small holes through the bottom of each bottle, then thread fishing line or thin wire through at varying lengths. Attaching small glass beads or charms at the ends of the lines adds sparkle and dimension, and once secured to a pendant light frame, the bottles create a layered cascading effect. This project works best with LED bulbs to avoid heat issues, and keeps the glow soft and warm, especially if you use amber or frosted bottles. The result is a one-of-a-kind light fixture that doubles as art, perfect for over a dining table, kitchen island or cozy reading nook. It's a stunning way to repurpose something you'd usually toss, proving that even the smallest items can create big design impact when approached creatively. Idea number 7, hidden key holder garden stone. For a clever and practical outdoor project, turn a pill bottle into a hidden key holder disguised as a garden stone. Start with a child-proof bottle, and place it upside down in a small mold or cake pan. Cover the outside with a mosaic of tiles, stones or decorative pebbles using strong adhesive, then pour concrete around the bottle to form a solid weatherproof stepping stone. Once the concrete sets, remove the mold. The bottle creates a hollow compartment, perfect for storing spare keys safely and out of sight. This idea is perfect for anyone who wants a secure, functional, and stylish solution for outdoor key storage. Unlike the classic hide under the mat trick, it's durable, weather-resistant, and blends naturally into your garden or walkway. Place it near entryways, behind plants or along a path, and you have a secret storage spot that doubles as a decorative element. It's a smart way to reuse a pill bottle, while adding both function and charm to your outdoor space. Idea number 8, seasonal ornaments and holiday decor. Pill bottles are perfect for creating small festive decorations for every season and holiday. For Christmas, wrap a bottle in white yarn to make a snowman, then add felt for a hat, buttons for eyes, and a small bead for the nose. A loop of ribbon or twine turns it into a cute tree ornament. For Halloween, paint bottles orange, draw jack-o'-lantern faces, or add spooky labels to create potion bottles that fit any Halloween display. Winter decorations are just as easy. Use felt, faux fur, and tiny accessories to make gnomes or woodland creatures, or add mini wreaths around the neck of each bottle for a charming touch. These projects are small, affordable, and versatile, letting you add personal handcrafted touches to your home without taking up much space. They're a simple way to turn everyday items into seasonal charm that can be displayed year after year. Idea number 9, desktop bobbin and craft organizer. If you love crafting, pill bottles can become one of the most practical and space-saving tools in your creative setup. By threading them onto a wooden dowel or rod, you can create a vertical organizer for yarn, embroidery floss, twine or ribbon. Wrapping yarn around the bottles transforms them into center pull balls, which makes crafting smoother and prevents tangling. For smaller threads or ribbons, you can stack multiple bottles side by side, organizing them by color or type, so everything is instantly visible and easy to access. This system works equally well in drawers, mounted on a wall, or placed on a desk, making it perfect for craft rooms with limited space. It keeps supplies neat, prevents them from rolling around or getting tangled, and allows for quick access to exactly what you need. Beyond organization, this method is highly customizable. Paint the bottles to match your room, add labels, or use decorative tape to create a coordinated look. It's a functional and visually appealing way to repurpose something as simple as a pill bottle, turning everyday clutter into a streamlined, organized craft station. Idea number 10. Emergency mini kits. Pill bottles are perfect for creating compact, portable emergency kits that fit easily in your purse, backpack, car, or camping gear. For a basic first aid kit, you can fill a bottle with band-aids, alcohol wipes, small packets of antibiotic ointment, and tiny gauze squares. A separate bottle can hold a mini sewing kit with needles, threads in multiple colors, spare buttons, and even a tiny pair of scissors. You can even create a fire starter kit with cotton balls, soaked in petroleum jelly, waterproof matches, and a small striker glued to the lid, perfect for camping or outdoor adventures. These mini kits are durable, waterproof, and easy to carry anywhere, making them a practical solution for everyday emergencies or travel situations. Because the bottles are clear or lightly decorated, you can see what's inside at a glance, which saves time when you need supplies quickly. They're a simple, cost-effective way to reuse pill bottles while creating something genuinely useful, combining safety, convenience, and organization in a tiny package. Every bottle repurposed in this way turns waste into a tool that could really come in handy when you need it most. And there you have it, 10 creative, practical, and surprisingly stylish ways to turn ordinary pill bottles into treasures for your home, garden, and daily life. From decorative accents and mini planters, to storage solutions, holiday ornaments, and even emergency kits, these small containers prove that something often considered trash can have a second life that's both beautiful and useful. Each project not only helps you organize, decorate, or enhance your living space, but also contributes to reducing waste, giving these durable, medical-grade plastics a purpose beyond the landfill. Whether you're crafting a vintage-style lampshade, creating hidden key storage in your garden, or setting up mini herb planters on your windowsill, these ideas show just how versatile and impactful thoughtful repurposing can be. If you try any of these projects, share your results in the comments. I'd love to see how you've transformed ordinary bottles into something extraordinary. Don't forget to like this video if you learned a new tip, and subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more eco-friendly, budget-conscious, and creative DIYs that make your home and garden smarter and more beautiful. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new idea. And remember, every small act of reusing, repurposing, and thinking creatively adds up to a bigger impact on the environment and your space. These little bottles are made to last, so let's put them to work and show that even the smallest things can make a big difference.